Nowadays, many people are facing issues with their smartphones exploding. So, here are some tips to take care of your smartphone battery. 1. Avoid overcharging. Once the battery is fully charged, unplug the charger. Overcharging can reduce the overall life of the battery. 2. Don't let your battery completely drain. Try to keep your battery charged above 20% to keep the battery healthy. 3. Keep your phone at normal room temperature. Extreme temperatures can also reduce the battery life. The optimal operating temperature range for most smartphones is between 20–30 degrees Celsius. 4. Turn off unused features. Features such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS use a lot of battery power. Turning them off when they're not in use can help conserve battery life. 5. Use low power mode. Most smartphones have a low power mode that can help prolong battery life in emergencies. 6. Avoid using cheap or non-branded chargers. These chargers may not be compatible with your phone and can cause damage to the battery. By following these simple tips, you can take care of your smartphone battery and prolong its life. Subscribe, share and like to get more informative videos. Thank you.